Manipur Sangai Festival asi leibak asigi achouba thouram ama oina shakhangnare amadi Manipur chaokhatlaba culture boot leibak asigi miyamda khanghanba ngamle haina Manipur Governor La Ganesan haikhre ngarang numidang bhaigya Chandra Open Air Theatre da Sangai Festival ki manung chana nini chanba numit ki nat ki oiba jogoi isai utpa numit ki thauramda saruk yaraduna Governor na Manipur lenga ki Tourism Department na sindana pangthokliba festival asina Manipur bu tourist destination oihenba sungamle State asigi calendar event ama oiriba Manipur Sangai Festival asina lamdam asigi handloom amasung handicraft promote tawbata natana lamdam asigi inak khulaba tradition amasung culture bu malemgi miyamda uthoknabagi tanja amasu pire matam amada law and order gi fivam fatabana mapan gi miyoi singna Manipur da lakpada akiba poknaramba ado haukiba chahi manga rom asida singthaningai oina law and order gi fivam phagalakle masi state lengak amasung Manipur miyamgi hona jamani haiki Ngarangi thauram aduda Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren Singh na thauram mapu oina saruk yaki.
Number of places in the state have the potential for being developed into popular hill stations. With the coming of the Look East policy and now Act East policy under the central government and steady increase in the tourism infrastructure like hotels and road and transport and initiatives taken by the state government like the Sangai Festival, things have started looking up in the tourism sector. Increased commercial and trading activities will also enhance the number of visitors to the state. But we are still far away from realizing its full potential. One bottleneck is obviously the law and order situation, which is generally dissuading the tourists from including the state in their itinerary. However, fortunately, the general law and order situation in the state has significantly improved for the last more than 5 years, and the state remained quite peaceful.